That would never suit his grace. But you better be careful, or you'll end up like Smudger. Smudger was a show-off. He always rode off the rails and doesn't follow the rules. Well, we do here, Mr. Rotten Rider. He was turned into a generator and put at the back of the sand. He'll never move again. Loading and unloading, loading and unloading. Ugh, we'll all get a chance to see the world someday, and not just be stuck at random docks. Wait, let me just tell the plot controller something. Then I'll move out of random docks once and for all. Oh, Mr. Oliver, it's just that I always go forwards. When will I ever go backwards? Yikes! Stopped at last.